This is the biggest tech market in Anambra State and Southeast Nigeria. Hello guys, welcome back again to Urbanized Media. Have you heard of Emeka Offor Plaza? The almighty Emeka Offor Plaza in Onitsha, Anambra State. Emeka Offor Plaza is just like the computer village version of Southeast. In Lagos State, Nigeria, we have computer village where phones and phone accessories and all kinds of tech equipments, content creation equipments are sold. In Southeast, in Anambra State, our market for that is Emeka Offor Plaza. So this market, this plaza, a lot of things happen here. A whole lot. So serious business activities happen on each floor of this plaza. Serious business activities. There are sections for phone repairs, selling of phone, laptops, gadgets, and all kinds of equipment, content creation of equipment you can ever think of. So this is that plaza that you have heard story about, that when you come here, they are going to steal your phone, do this, harass you. All those stories are not really true. You come here, do your business and go. Nothing will happen to you. It's just like anywhere else in Nigeria where you come to the public space inside market. You have to be careful. You have to watch your side. I don't know if you understand, but it's not bad like people are painting it. It's not even bad. Just come here, do your business, and just go your way. So I want to show you guys around Emeka Offor Plaza on this day to see all the sections in this market. Stay tuned here and don't go anywhere.